All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, guys, before we get started, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Now, guys, if you're following the Bitcoin crypto markets, you can see crypto and Bitcoin are absolutely tanking right now. So you're definitely going to want to stay to the end of this episode because I'm going to break down why. Now, let's get started by first talking about, guys, we are living through some unprecedented times right now. I mean, guys, look at us. CNN Business. American credit card debt hits a record $1 trillion. Mortgage rates soar to their highest level in 21 years. Does anything in the economy seem normal right now? So seeing Bitcoin tank should absolutely not be a surprise to you because we are dealing with some really bad economic turmoil right now. Now, let's go over to CoinMarketCap and let's look at the actual damage. And guys, Bitcoin sitting at 26,000. You guys were begging for these levels not too long ago when Bitcoin was surging over 30,000. You were begging for another chance to buy it at 26,000. Down 11% on a week, guys. Ethereum down 9%. XRP down 17%. And guys, you know, not financial advice. I did buy some XRP. I did buy the dip on that. Now, let's look at this, guys. I mean, this is a drop-off, guys. I don't think we've seen a drop-off this big since the FTX collapse. And hey, we survived that, right? And if you guys remember, if you follow me, make sure you're subscribed. But if you follow me, I posted this chart. This is a historical Bitcoin chart. And guys, we really shouldn't be surprised to see red right now because if we look, you know, August and September have historically not been too good. September being a very red month. So I posted that 3 days ago. Now, if you're wondering, but why? But why is crypto? I mean, we get it. We get it. Economic uncertainty. We get it. Interest rates, credit card debt. But why is Bitcoin specifically tanking? Well, a lot of people have a lot of different opinions. This is one thing that was pretty much headline news. So as you guys know, Elon Musk, the spaceship man, he owns SpaceX. And it says this in the article, guys. Check this out. Elon Musk, SpaceX writes down Bitcoin worth $373 million. Now, what we got to note about this, guys, check it out what it says right here. SpaceX wrote down the value of Bitcoin it owns by a total of $373 million last year and in 2021 and has sold the cryptocurrency. Tesla has taken a similar approach with its Bitcoin holdings. Musk has posted about cryptocurrencies frequently over the years. But check out what it says in the article. We are certainly open to increasing our Bitcoin holdings in the future, so this should not be taken as some verdict on Bitcoin. All right, so a lot of people are saying that Elon Musk and SpaceX sold their Bitcoin, and that's what caused the crash. Now, first thing, guys, this isn't really confirmed. SpaceX is a private company. They're not a public company like Tesla where we can actually view. They have to disclose their balance sheets. They have to disclose how much Bitcoin they have on hand. So I'm not saying that Elon, but we don't know when. I'm not saying they didn't sell this Bitcoin, but we don't know exactly when. So I don't really think that this is the reason for the sell-off. It doesn't work like that, guys. And even if they did sell it off, guys, trust me, Elon's going to be making a big Bitcoin purchase soon. You'll see. You'll see. I just got a hunch. But a lot of influencers in the mainstream media, that's what they're saying the reason for the sell-off is. But it's not. It's not. Also, too, guys, here's another headline that they're saying is the reason for the sell-off. CNBC, China's property giant Evergrande files for bankruptcy court, protection in Manhattan court. Yeah, guys, we've heard all about China's dealing with their own economic problems right now. They're having their own real estate collapse similar to us in '08. That's what, you know, the mainstream media is saying is the reason for this Bitcoin crash and some influencers. I don't think that's the reason either, guys. And trust me, if you made it this far in the video, guys, thank you so much for watching. Drop me a 100 emoji in the comments. But I'm going to break down why I think that the Bitcoin markets are crashing. And I'm going to give you guys my strategy. So let's rewind. Let's rewind because we have such short memories. The SEC needs to take the win and approve BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. As the world's largest asset manager looks to offer a spot ETF on Bitcoin, U.S. regulators have little choice but to approve it. So we know that BlackRock is trying to get their Bitcoin spot ETF approved. You guys think BlackRock wants the Bitcoin price at an all-time high for them to buy it? BlackRock's not buying this asset at an all-time high. They're going to get it as low as possible, and the powers that be will use any methods to get this asset. This is just my opinion, guys, not financial advice. So it's just coincidental that this news comes out. But what other news is out, guys, to make me think this? Check this out. If this is from Bloomberg, guys, SEC set to greenlight Ether futures ETFs in win for crypto industry. Agency unlikely to block the products that could list by October. Slew of issuers have submitted filings for Ether future ETFs. So, guys, another investment product being approved by the SEC. What this is telling us, we know Bitcoin's a commodity. We know the judge said XRP is not a security. We're seeing the tides kind of turn for Ethereum. And now we're seeing actual futures ETFs, which you know what'll follow that? And Ethereum spot ETFs. So guess what, guys? All your altcoins that you love that are technically built on Ethereum, all your NFTs that you love, they're all going to make it. Because if Ethereum's not banned, do you guys realize all these other protocols that are very similar in structure to Ethereum all have legal precedent to be approved? This cannot be a coincidence. There cannot be a coincidence that crypto's absolutely tanking. And I showed you guys last episode that BlackRock ETF, we have leaked documents that are showing that BlackRock spot ETF is to be approved in 4 to 6 months. Coincidentally, when the Bitcoin halving's coming. If you don't know what the Bitcoin halving is, guys, what are you doing investing in cryptocurrency? What are you even doing? Stop everything you're doing. Turn this video off and go research the Bitcoin halving. Because, guys, it only happens once every 4 years. Now, what do we know? Guys, we know the hash rate of Bitcoin, we can see it on chain, is at an all-time high. You guys know what the hash rate is. It's the computing power securing a network, the most secure network in mankind's history. The number of addresses holding Bitcoin, that the Bitcoin that hasn't moved in over a year just keeps going higher and higher. People aren't selling their coins. And most importantly, Michael Saylor, the CEO of MicroStrategies, has just told you they bought more Bitcoin. They have billions of dollars of Bitcoin. So, guys, this asset only gets stronger. These dips only make the iron hands even stronger, guys, because people are buying these dips. So, what I see this dip as, guys, is an opportunity for the powers that be to get the price lower so that they can accumulate this asset at a lower cost average. That's all I see. Now, is this standard volatility? Well, if you zoom out, it kind of is standard volatility, right? If we're looking at, if we're looking at the whole lifespan of Bitcoin, this little dip is just a little blip on the screen. It's nothing to see. So we definitely got cause to be concerned, guys, because I'm not trying to give y'all hopium. I've had the same strategy since I started this channel. I dollar cost average into these markets. I buy the dips. I buy when it's red. So many people want to buy when it's green. They want to buy when Bitcoin's up, 20%. They want to buy when it's up 10%. I buy when it's red. I buy every week automatically, and I block out the fake news. Now, something else we need to think about. Guys, Coinbase approved to offer Bitcoin's future trades in the U.S. So we're slowly moving. I mean, guys, look at it. U.S. SEC officially acknowledges XRP is a non-security in new court filings. Guys, we're making progress. The industry's making progress. And we're going through some crazy political times right now, guys, that I'm not going to comment too much on. I just have faith that this is still the United States. We're still a free country, and that the right to own digital assets is an American right, that, we have property rights. Cryptocurrencies are technically property. Bitcoin has been labeled a commodity, so our government is never going to be able to outlaw. They're never going to be able to stop this. Anyway, guys, if you made this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Drop me a 100 emoji in the comments, and let me know what you guys think, guys. Is this just standard manipulation? Are we going lower? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, y'all, I'm out. Peace.